Hello, my friend. We're continuing the Mitsubishi PLC programming language. So now we will see the looping for. So how we can use this loop. This is also very useful. And actually, the syntax is here. Syntax is here for a variable. So how we can write for? So for variable, initial variable to final variable. So by increment. So actually this is the integer value in any case. So other values you cannot use. Example from 0 to 10 or from 10 to 5 or from just you need to make an increment. So the loop is continuing repeating this loop completely. And same to if conditions we have also and for after a semicolon. So this is semicolon also is very important when you make. So between 4 and 4 you can make execution statement. So after execution in any case you need semicolon again. So syntax is like this. This is a simple for loop. So there is also another this condition or breaking one. So we will just see here the examples, and I have now here we can see some examples. So here you can make in one string, therefore, or you can make so separate. So now here I have 18. I have 18 values. So actually this is a current. So I have arrays here, and my array is 18, and index of array is from 0 to 17. So in actually I have 18 value. Just I need to make a sum of this 18 value. So arrays value. So I'm using 4. This is my bit register, my integer register. So variable from 0 to 17. If you don't write increments, so automatically your increment is 1. So 1 by 1 is doing. So after 0 is 1, after 1 is 2, like this is completely doing. So here this is a simple one. Just I make soon here. So semicolon, don't forget here. After and for also. The important thing is before for loop, you need to make your variable, your sum variable 0. Otherwise, so continuously you make the sum of the value. So you cannot control the loop completely. After the scanning of the program, so it's doing to very big values, so you cannot control after the loop. Oh, if I make in here this here, so before we have if condition, but this is no need. This is also if I make same to another, so like this. Just my statement here is a bit, not integer is here is bit. So from 0 to 17, this I have also another array relays. So 18 relays I make false. So if I you can see here I have emergency, so it's a threshold condition. If I'm not using the for loop here, I need to make 18 condition for make false. So 4 is very useful and make it easy your program. So another example here, just adding first is condition inside the for loop. I make one condition here, and also exit. Sometimes we need to break if find something inside the loop, so make some condition and break the loop, so no need to continue the loops here. So you can see from 0 to 70, so 18 condition, 18 value. If this condition is occur here, if this condition occur and completely this time they break the 4, so make true and break the 4, so no need to continue, so another value. So here also it's like this. I have another examples. So here you can see. Now here we need to write the step because our step is -1. So from 17 to 0 we will make a loop. And for this one, here I don't write by, so increments. Here we need. Just the important thing is syntaxes. Don't forget 8 4 semicolon statement semicolon. So step you need to write which steps you need. So this was about the for loop.